Hello, what do you think this is? It's a picture of all the constellations in the Southern Hemisphere. This was my star chart from when I was around 18 years old. It belongs in this very old container that I used to carry around, and when I would look at the stars, I would put the date down here, the time here, and then I could look up at the sky and I would see all the pretty stars that matched up with the date and the time. You see all these broken parts? They were from my budgies who used to eat my star chart if I left it lying around. So when I would look up at the stars, I would see all the beautiful bright lights and it would be mesmerizing. So I started to learn them. Some of my favorites, of course, you will probably know. We've got here the Southern Cross. You see this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the pointers. That's the famous one for us. Next to the Southern Cross is Centaurus, and it goes down here. That's it. The stars are they don't actually have lines in between them in the sky, but this star chart is showing how they look. Did you know there was even a star pattern called puppies? Look at that, the puppies. Well, I say puppies, but it actually says puppets, and they go like that triangle and it goes down. This one here says Canis Major. You know what a canis is? It's dog. So it's like a big dog next to the puppets. Oh, I like to remember those. Another one that a lot of people know is called Orion. That's this one. Some people call it the saucepan because it's got these 3 stars across the middle and what looks like a handle. But the saucepan, I think Orion looks more like an hourglass with the sands of the hourglass going down the. So this is Orion here. Looks to me like an hourglass anyway. We've got so many beautiful, beautiful stars up in the sky. I love to learn them. What is interesting is how they go around and around. They follow a path that's not circular. They follow, so some of the stars like this Pegasus and Andromeda, they all follow a rather circular pattern around. But the zodiac stars follow what's called an ecliptic. Can you see that word there? It says ecliptic. Oh, that's very close. So this is, for example, Sagittarius here, and that's the shape of it. And then next to Sagittarius, on this dotted, dashed path, the ecliptic path, is what we call Capricorn or Capricornus, and that's the shape. Then we've got Aquarius, which goes there, Pisces, Aries, and they all go around. Can you see Orion on our picture? There it is, Orion. And another very famous star pattern is called Scorpio, and that's this one. It's the biggest in the sky. It's very, very big, and it's got these pattern here and the big stars there, and this section that goes down and around is called, some people call it anyway, the Big Dipper. That's good, isn't it? And so that's Scorpius. So you'll see Scorpius at 9 o'clock at night, but you won't see Orion There's Orion. You won't see Orion and Scorpio together. You'll see them at different times of the day. So you might see that 2 o'clock in the morning and you might see that one at 9 o'clock at night. I hope you've enjoyed this. A little bit of education on stars. So this has a little tiny clip that goes on the inside, and that helps keep everything together. And as you go through the months, you just turn it around, and as you go through the months, you get different star constellations up in the sky, as you can see. Each time of the year, it just goes. So we always have a very pretty sky. And did you know back in the day, when navigating on big ships across the oceans, didn't have technology and GPSs and Wi-Fi and telephones, they all relied on a star chart to get around the planet. They would know if that was the stars that they saw at that particular time of the year, then they were in the north horizon. They were heading that way. Or this was the east horizon, or the south, or the west. This helped them understand where they were traveling through those big, big oceans on Earth. So I hope you enjoyed the star chart and looking at Oma Robbie's very, very, very old star chart for when she was a young girl. And the big one that you see here in Australia that everybody knows, and if it's not a cloudy night, you might even see it, that is the Southern Cross and the pointers. You just can't miss it. I hope you have an awesome day. Sending you lots of love and God bless you. Bye for now.